Hey guys, welcome to part 3, the final segment of the jet ski rebuild. This is the fun part. This is where we clean the ski up and take it to have some fun and then sell it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun. The worst thing about that was that I didn't bring enough fuel for the ski. We were only able to ride for about 20 minutes, but gave Cam and Brandon a chance to give it a try. Neither one of them had ever been on a ski before, so that was really cool. So, but the ski did really great, so now it's time to get this thing cleaned up finally. I know some of y'all have been waiting for that. I have been too. So let's get going. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's pretty filthy. I think the guy said the ski had been in his yard for like 6 years, in the backyard, and I can promise you it hadn't been washed in at least that long. I know it hadn't had any maintenance in that amount of time. So anyway, let's get started on it. Start getting it cleaned up. I don't know if I'll have time because it's kind of late in the day. I don't know if I'm going to have time, but if I do, I'm actually planning to wax it and do a, and see if I can get a compound on it and get the paint back. But all right, so let's get started. Dang! No, I'm just kidding. So there it goes. It turned out pretty nice. I still have to wax it, But it's so good to see that the shine's going to come back on this ski. I got to do a little work to the seat, which I will. But man, so much better. Can't believe how good it turned out. Like I said, I got to do the seat. But all that dirt and nastiness from the guy's backyard actually kind of protected it a little bit. So I'm pretty psyched about that. So get a wax on it and keep that shine. Get that seat done and it's ready to go. On to the next project. Well, thanks guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. This was a fun project to do. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm excited to get on to the next one. I think you guys are going to like it. It's a 69 Volkswagen rat rod Beetle, and I'm going to get started on that right away. So as soon as we get this thing sold, we'll be on to that project. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care.